Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing my Foxy Beauty lashes. I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So in today's video, I'm actually going to be unboxing them. I'm going to be showing you what these lashes look like, and I'm also going to be applying them. I'm going to see how they look, how they wear, and we're going to do a little look with these cluster lashes. So let's go ahead and take them out of the box here. All right, so everything that you need is already included. It is here in your box. So let me go ahead and show you all the items. You get this little spoolie, so it's going to go ahead and help you brush those lashes out. Once you apply them, you also get these little tweezers right here. So these are going to help throughout the installation process. You have your bond and seal right here. So these are going to help you apply them and also seal them into place so they could go ahead and last longer. And last but not least, we have our eyelash remover. So this is going to go ahead and help you remove those lashes once you are done wearing them. This is our little case. This is where the eyelashes are in. And these are the FB21 Bombshell X eyelash cluster kit. So let me go ahead and open it up. It's like a little case and ta-da! These are the lashes. So we got 80D, 100D, 150D, and 200D. So this is just going to be the thickness of the lashes. And they start off at 10 and they go all the way up to 18 on each individual one. Right, so in here you do get a little lasher cluster kit beauty guide. So especially if you're a beginner, you don't know where to start, this is going to be very helpful when you're applying your lashes. It walks you step by step. It gives you some Q&A, gives you some aftercare tips, how to apply the lashes, how to remove your lashes, a warning, a thank you. And I also like that they included a little lash map. Natural eye, doll eye, kitten eye, or cat eye. So to get started, you want to go ahead and curl your lashes first. I'm going to be using my Haley's eyelash curler. So you want to make sure you get that eyelash curler close to the roots. Give it a good curl. All right, so you want to go ahead and open up your lash kit. Make sure you have your tweezers handy and your lash and seal bond. Okay, so I'm going to bring you much closer in for this process. I'm going to go ahead and put a bond on my natural lashes. So this is what one of the lash clusters looks like. I'm giving you a top view. They are nice, fluffy, and the thin band will be great when blending into my natural lashes. I also like to apply bond to the lash itself, to the lash cluster. And when applying them, you want to go ahead and pull it up a little bit. I like to get it close as I can to the end of my lash root. After I finish putting on the lash, I do like to give it a little squeeze just to make sure that they are nice and secure. So what I'm doing is I'm adding individual bond to each clustered lash. Just a little bit on the tip. I already have it on my natural lashes. As you could see, you could already start seeing the definition in the eyes. So I started with the 16, 18, 16, and now I'm going back in with an 18. So I'm doing kind of like a wispy look. One thing that I would like to mention is be very careful when you are lifting up your lashes. You want to make sure you grab them at the root. I've already had about 2 break off. So you do want to be careful when you're lifting them up. As you could see, one of them got stuck right here and I got a 14 that ripped on me as well. So just be very, very careful when you are lifting them up so you don't damage the lash itself. Okay, so once you've fully installed the lashes and you got the lash map that you want to go ahead and use the seal to go ahead and seal those lashes into place. You want to put that on the bottom of the lashes. Give it another little squeeze with the tweezers. So take a look at that difference here on the left-hand side. I've already fully applied my lash clusters, and on this side over here, I have not yet done so, but I wanted to go ahead and show you the difference between the left and the right side. As you could see on the left side, my lashes look a lot fuller. They've opened up my eyes. They've widened up my eyes. I like how lightweight they actually feel. I went ahead and used this side right here, which is the 80D. I started with a 16, 18, 16, back to an 18, a 14, 12, and 10. That is my lash map. I'll go ahead and make sure to put it here for you in case you want to follow this. But I do like how the lashes look, how they feel. They were so easy to apply. The bond itself worked perfectly. They were not getting stuck. They were actually easy to put on. And I like that they are bold, but yet they feel so natural, so lightweight. I do really, really like that. So let me go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and then I'll come back and give you my final thoughts. So as you can see, I have fully applied the lashes. They look big, bright. My eyes are definitely lifted. I did a wispy look, kind of cat eye. Like I mentioned, my lash map was 16, 18, 16, 18, then 14, 12, and 10. This gives me the full set of lashes. They feel so lightweight. I like that my eyes are not getting dragged down. It was super simple to apply. I did, however, have a little bit of a harder time just because I am left-handed. So when I was doing my right eye, I did struggle a little bit just because I'm having to reach over and do my lashes. You want to make sure you lift up the eyelid a little bit and then put the lash right on the edge of your natural lash. But overall, it was so easy to use. And like I mentioned, I used the 80D. So it was the top one. Next time that I do this, I do want to use a bolder look. So I might go with the 100D or the 150D, just depending on how it looks. But they are all so lightweight, so fluffy. Like I mentioned, the band is a little bit thinner, which is a good thing, but also make sure that when you are picking them up, you are gentle so they do not break off. A tip I could give you that I started doing is I started lifting them up with my fingers. It is a lot easier to pick these up. And then once I grabbed it with my finger, then I went ahead and used the little lash tweezers that are included. I went ahead and applied the bond onto those, and then I went ahead and applied them to my natural lash. But overall, I really, really liked the way that they came out. If you want more volume or more of a dramatic look, you could always add more lash clusters to your lashes. You could actually double these up if you like. I personally am okay with the way that they are right now. A lot of the times I use them to go to the gym, so it definitely helps give me that open eye look, that more awake look. I love having lashes on. I think this is an easy and cost-efficient way to get those nice full lashes on a daily basis. If you've been on the lookout for a good set of cluster lashes, then definitely check these out. Everything that you need is included, from the seal to the bond to the lash remover, and they are available in a variety of styles. So if you don't like that dramatic look, don't worry, because Foxy Beauty does have natural looking lashes. So I'll go ahead and link them down below so you can check them out for yourself, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.